Good morning, children. Namaste. How are you all? In our previous sessions, we have learned place value chart, how to write the number name, how to write the numeral, place value, face value, international system of numeration. International system of numeration is a new topic for you children. So, are you practicing it? Remember, the more we practice, the more we learn. Today, let us take a quick recap of all those concepts and start with a new topic. Indian place value chart. Here, this place value chart is divided into 4 groups. Each group is called a period. So here, starting from our right hand side, we have ones period, thousands period, lakhs period, crores period. Ones period has hundreds, tens, ones. Thousands period has 10,000s, thousands. Lakhs period has 10 lakhs, lakhs. Crores period has 10 crores, crores. 10 crores, crores, 10 lakhs, lakhs, 10,000s, thousands, hundreds, tens, ones are the places. Here we use commas to separate the periods. So we use comma after crore place, lakh place and thousand place. Write 973257 in words according to Indian system of numeration. First, we'll write the number. On top of each digit, we are going to write its places. So here, we always start writing places from our right hand side. 3 is in ones place, 4 is in tens place, 8 is in hundreds place, 7 is in thousand place, 5 is in 10,000 place, 2 is in lakh place, 3 is in 10 lakh place, 7 is in crore place and 9 is in 10 crore place. Now, hundreds, tens, ones belongs to ones period. 10,000, thousand belongs to thousands period. 10 lakh, lakh belongs to lakhs period. 10 crore, crore belongs to crores period. While reading the number, we always read from the highest period. So here, crores is the highest period. So we'll start reading from crores. The digits in the same period are read together. Here, 9 and 7 are in crores period. So it is read as 97 crore. 3, 2 are in lakhs period. So 32 lakh. 5, 7 in thousands period. 57,000. 8, 4, 3 in ones period. So 843. So the number name of 973257,843 is 97 crore 32 lakh 57,843. Always remember, while writing the number name, the starting letter is always capital and nowhere else we are going to use capital letter. What is place value, children? Place value is the value of the digit due to its position in the number. That is, if 4 is in ones place, its place value is 4. If 4 is in tens place, its place value is 40. If the 4 is in hundreds place, its place value is 400. And what is face value? Face value is the value of the digit itself. That is, if 4 is in ones, tens or hundreds place, the face value of 4 is 4 itself. So now, using the concept of place value and face value, let us solve one problem. Find the sum of the place values of 9 and 8 in 97,58,621. Place value of 9 in 97,58,621 is equal to, here 9 is in 10 lakh place. So place value is 90 lakh. Place value of 8 in 97,58,621 is equal to, here 8 is in 1000 place. So the place value is 8000. Sum is equal to 90 lakh plus 8000. Children, please do this addition in the right side of your page, that is in your rough column. So now 90 lakh plus 8000 is 90 lakh 8000. Always we have to post our answer after solving the problem. So here the answer is 90 lakh 8000. International place value chart. Here the chart has been divided into 3 groups: ones, thousands, millions. Each group is called as a period. Ones period has hundreds, tens, ones. Thousands period has hundred thousands, 10,000s, thousands. Millions period has 100 millions, 10 millions, millions. Now what is actually international place value chart, children? Most of the countries outside India use this place value chart. So the difference between Indian place value chart and international place value chart is, in Indian place value chart, except one's period, in the remaining periods we have 2 places. But in international place value chart, in each period we have 3 places. Write the number name of 51, 236, 897. Children, did you observe here he did not mention according to which system of numeration? Then how you are going to write, children? Yes, here we can see the commas. If you see, in ones period we have 3 digits and in thousands period also we have 3 digits. And which system of numeration has 3 digits in its thousands period? Yes, so we are going to write the number name of this by observing the commas. So now we are going to write this according to international system of numeration. So first we have to write the number and we'll write the places of each digit. Then we'll write the periods. Now we always start reading the number from its highest period. So here the highest period is millions. So we start reading the number from millions period. The digits in a period are read together. Here 5, 1 are in millions period. So 51 million. 2, 3, 6 are in thousands period. So 236,000. 8, 9, 7 are in ones period. So 897. So the number name of 51, 236, 897 is 51,236,897. Now we are going to learn a new topic, that is predecessor. Now what is predecessor, children? The number that comes just before a given number is called its predecessor. To find the predecessor, subtract 1 from the number. For example, the predecessor of 65,42,153 is 65,42,153 minus 1, which is equal to 65,42,152. Now, children, please tell me in your own terms, what is a predecessor? Yes, predecessor is nothing but your before number. Write the predecessor of 6,457,300. Now here in the question we have number name. First let us write the numeral. So here 6,457,300 is equal to 6, 457, 300. Now we'll write predecessor is equal to 6,457,300 minus 1. Please make use of your rough column, children. Even you feel the subtraction is easy, please calculate so that you will get the correct answer. So here 6,457,300 minus 1, we get the answer as 6,457,299. So what's the predecessor, children? It is 6,457,299. As in the question we have number in words, even we have to post our answer in words. Write the predecessor of the smallest 7-digit number. Smallest 7-digit number is equal to 1 with 6 zeros. How we read this number, children? It is 10 lakh. Predecessor is equal to 10 lakh minus 1. Make use of your rough column to do the subtraction. After subtracting, we get the answer as 6 nines. So how we read this 6 nines, children? It is 9,99,999. Now we have to post the answer. While posting the answer, you can use commas so that you can read the number correctly. So here the answer is 9,99,999. Successor. The number that comes just after a given number is called its successor. To find the successor, add 1 to the given number. For example, the successor of 85,47,399 is 85,47,399 plus 1, which is 85,47,400. Write the successor of 674,999. First, let us write the numeral of 674,999, which is equal to 674,999. Successor is equal to 674,999 plus 1. Do the addition in a rough column. We get 675,000. As in our question we have the number in words, we should post our answer as number in words. So 675,000 is written as 675,000. Write the successor of the greatest 7-digit number. Greatest 7-digit number is equal to 7 nines. How we read this number, children? It is 99,99,999. Successor is equal to 7 nines plus 1. Now we have to do this addition in a rough column. Children, even if you feel adding 1 is easy, please make use of your rough column. Here we get the sum as 1 with 7 zeros. So how we read this number, children? We read 1 with 7 zeros as 1 crore. So the successor is 1 crore.